Hey you guys, welcome to Janeah's Journey. I'm Janeah Simone. Thanks so much for tuning into this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that right now. So by the title, this is just me trying to do some butterfly locks, okay? I did not watch any videos, tutorials, or anything. I just seen some pictures of these locks and I felt like I can do it. That's usually how I do things, actually. I just see it one time and I try to do it. This is me trying to do it. This whole video is muted because it really is just null and void. It really is just you guys watching me do these locks but fail, but then still work it. So yeah. So I braided my hair in about 30 braids the night before after freshly washing it. Make sure you guys pick up my hair care line from my website, JaneahSimone.com. I did use this free tress hair that I am going to put in the description below. You also need a crochet needle and you need some thick kinky hair. So I was really trying not to spend that much money. So I used the free tress kinky hair as well as this old kinky hair that I had, Rastafari, and it's in the gray color. So yeah, again, you guys are going to see how this turns out at the end. So make sure you guys continue watching. So like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is really just you guys watching me try this for my first time and how it works out for me. So I'm just gonna let you guys know what I am doing. So I'm taking the Rastafari kinky hair first and I am crocheting that through my braid, and then I crochet the curled tresses hair and I wrap it around. You guys will see. So this is the finished look, you guys. I didn't really care for it too much, but I actually did rock this style for a good 2 weeks. And I actually got a lot of compliments. I did not wear it down. I mainly wore it up in a bun or like half up, half down, but I did make it work. As you can see, some of the gray is showing. So yeah, definitely use a darker color, you know, so it doesn't like show. But yeah, this was me trying for my first time with no prior practice or anything. I would say that this was a fail, but I do think that I rocked it. So that's the whole point of this video, really. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button right now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.